Hello everyone. Today is Insert Today's Date, and we've got exciting updates for you about IPTV. We are also running through an in-depth tutorial on how to install IPTV on your Amazon Firestick. But first, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things tech and streaming. And make sure to check out 2TV.store, which is renowned as the best IPTV provider on the market. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. First, ensure your Firestick is connected to your TV and powered up. Navigate to the home screen, and then the Settings menu. From there, select Device, choose Developer Options, and enable Apps from Unknown Sources. With these settings configured, return to the home screen, go to the search bar, and type in Downloader, a useful app to install IPTV. Once downloaded, open the Downloader app, enter the URL for the IPTV service provider from 2TV.store, and follow the installation prompts. Once completed, you can open the IPTV service offering a vast array of channels and content. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows, movies, and live events in brilliant high definition. Remember, for the most reliable service, visit 2TV.store and subscribe for the best in IPTV. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech updates and walkthroughs.